station. High tide is at 7:36 p.m. Monday.
Wow, okay.
Low tide is at 1:39 a.m. Tuesday.
SVR! Bing!
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Berks County in eastern Pennsylvania, northwestern Lehigh County in eastern Pennsylvania, until 7 p.m. At 6:07 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Shoemakersville, or 10 miles southeast of Schuylkill Haven, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is
Let's not
possible.
forget West XL 39.
Impacted include Kutztown, Hamburg, Sitting Spring, Wilmersdorf, Wintersville, Robisonia, Leesport, Shoemakersville, Fairview Heights, Wanamaker, New Tripoli, Cloudsville, Spring Ridge, Centerport, and Whitfield. This includes Interstate 78 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 18 and 46. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania, Berks and Lehigh.